Hello everyone, we are learning Salesforce for beginners. We have in our previous video we have completed permission sets, and we have also completed some topics of Salesforce like what is CRM, what is Salesforce, what are objects and fields in Salesforce, what are page layouts, record types, relationship between objects, lookup relationship, what are formula field, what are formal validation rule, what are profiles, and what are permission sets, which we have discussed in our previous video. Now we will learn today OWD or org wide default. OWD determines what access and permission user have to record they don't own in the org. There are three types of access we can give through OWD. First is public read write, public read only, and public and private. Public read write, here user can view and edit the record which they don't own, and public read only, here user can only read or view records which they do not own. Private, here user cannot see the record which they do not own. Now we will give through OWD we will give access to our user, and we will check whether access are provided to our users or not. Thank you. In this video, we will learn OWD or org by default, and we will watch how we can give access through using OWD. In our previous video, we have completed permission sets. Now we will go on setup. Now we will go on sharing settings. Here you can see organization wide defaults. This is called OWD, and you can manage the sharing setting for all the objects. All object you can use for you can use custom object and standard object both. First you will go on edit, and here you can organization wide sharing default edits. Organization wide default is by default private. It is by default private. As you can see, many are private. These are by default private. First, if we want to make our here here you can give three access: private, public read only, and public read write through any for any object, any custom object or any standard object, and save. Now you go on users. Here I have assigned standard user one profile to the users Alison Wheeler and Courtney Brown. These are the two users whom I assigned a profile name standard user one, and they have different role in this org. And the Brown Courtney is sales manager, and Alison Wheeler is a sales executive. It is like a small team. The sales manager is the head of the team, and sales executive is lower than sales manager. Through role, I have assigned some roles to them. First, we can go on profile, and we can watch. We can go on edit, and we can watch which profile, which permissions which access we have given through our profile. In our account, we have given read, create, edit, and delete. And in our books object, it is a custom object. We have given read, create, edit, and delete. And our exam object, we have also given read, create, edit, and delete. We can check tabs whether they are on or not. These both tabs are on. Now we can save. This access is applicable for both standard user 1 and standard user 2. Hello, we have given given access of private to the book object through OWD. First, we will go on users. Our access OWD is private for book object, then our user who is higher in the role is able to see the records of the lower level user. First, we will go on Alison Wheeler and log in our user. We will go on book object. Here you can see we are unable to see any records of the other user. First, we will make one record here by name Alison book and save. And now we will go on Brown Courtney profile and login. First, we have to log out through Alison Wheeler. Now here you can see it is a Courtney Brown page. We can search our book record. And we will go on all books. Here you can see we are able to watch the record made in Alison Wheeler profile user, which is Alison book record. Here you can see the Alison book which we have created. It is showing in the Courtney Brown profile only. But if we will make any new record with in Courtney Brown with name Courtney book and save. Now log out through this profile. Now again we will go in users in our org. Our org by default is private. We will log in again through Alison Wheeler and check whether the books which we have, whether the record of the Courtney we are able to watch or not. Here you can see we are unable to watch any other records made out of Alison Wheeler's created records. In this way, our OWD work. Now log out through Alison Wheeler profile. Hello. Now we will learn what is OWD with one more example. First, we will go on sharing settings. We will go on edit. We will go on our object whose name is student, and we will make it public read only and save our record. Save our settings. Now we will go on users. Now we will go on standard user profile. We will edit our profile. We will check whether tab is default on or not. It is on. Now we will go on student object and give it a access of read, create, edit and delete. Now save. If we will provide access through OWD, our users are able to see each other's record, but cannot edit their records, but cannot edit their each other's record. First, we will go on sales manager user. We will go on app launcher and search student object. We will go on all records. Here in our orgs we have created three records: student 1, student 2, student 11 and student 02. We will in Courtney Brown profile, through our Courtney Brown profile we will make one record name STU1 and save our record. We will give one phone number and save our record. Now we will go on our Alison Wheeler page. First we have to log out through Courtney Brown. This is our Alison Wheeler profile. Now we will search our object student. Here we can create new object. STU new 101. Here we are able to create our record. But we have given student a read only access to the records. First we will check by going to all record. We are able to edit our record or not. You don't have the necessary privilege to edit this record. See your administrative director for help. In this Ellison Wheeler profile, as you can see, we have given our object student public read only access. We are unable to edit the records which are made in org. Now we will go on all. We are also unable to edit the records of the Courtney Brown which we have created before. In this way, public read only access are given through OWD, which is a baseline level of access. Now log out through Ellison Wheeler profile.